Alright guys, one last thing on the 6.0. If you remember at the beginning of the repair, the shorts that I put out at the beginning and the eventual videos I will put out of this repair once it's fully assembled and ready to go, you will see or have seen that the turbo was leaking from the up pipe where it seats with the up pipe. I mean, it was leaking. It was black all over the place. You can still see the black back there, kind of. I cleaned up a lot of it, but here's an aftermath of it. This right here is the IPR harness connector. That's the IPR right below the downpipe. You can still see the soot all over this IPR connector. It's also super stiff and was already starting to melt the wires, and it did melt this section of it. This part right here is stiff. It will not bend for nothing. You can still see the soot and you can see where it's charred up. Imagine what would have happened had we not been here. It would have broke down somewhere.